This conference will now be recorded.
So for that reason, we will share the information like practically I see in the IT sector, like so many tools are getting developed day by day, and so many things are there in the market. Which one we should select, how we should approach, because everyone wants a job within 10 days, 5 days, 15 days, but doesn't depends on us, right? It's not in our hand. Unless we go for the correct technology, we should up to the mark. And being a automation testers, what are the things required? So these all things we are going to cover. Why Java only in the beginning? So many languages are there in the market. Ruby, Python, Perl, JavaScript, TypeScript, and everywhere we have a job for all these languages, right? There is a hot market. So why? Let me share my screen, and I will take 1 minute of time. Just tell your name and what you are doing one by one. Just give you a brief introduction. I'll take hardly 3 minutes for everyone. So, yes, start from Subarao or go alphabetically also, it's okay.
Hi
This is
team, my name
Venkatesh.
is
I'm a
Subbarao.
student.
Yeah, yeah.
My name is Subbarao and I'm having around 8 years of experience and all into
Mhm.
manual. I would like to jump into that automation and would like to learn about it.
Good,
Thank you.
good. Thanks. Yeah, go to Biplop Kamkar. Yes, introduce yourself. Just one line, two line. Yes, Biplop. Yeah. Next, Shekhar. Biplop, we are not able to hear you. You are on mute, but still we are not able to hear you. Yeah, Shekhar.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hey. Yeah, myself, Shaker. I do have 16 years of IT experience in quality assurance, but I'm primarily into healthcare data analytics and healthcare testing experience.
Okay.
But I do not have much knowledge on automation. So that's
Okay.
why I joined this call to learn something about Selenium, how we can use with Java or any other languages.
Good. 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 Very nice. Divya. Divya.
Hey everyone, so myself Divya, I have like around 5 years of experience in quality assurance, like mostly
Mm-hmm.
with manual testing, API testing, and I have been lead like for like following 2 3 projects earlier, but I don't have solid experience in automation, so with this call I think I'll get some knowledge on that as well.
Oh,
Thank you.
very nice. Very nice. Good. Yeah, waiting for name. After that, who is that? I don't know. The name is not there. Yes, Tanuj Dikshit. Tanuj is on call. Okay. Oh, Biplav, you are working as a Java developer. Very nice. Where you are working, Biplav? You have muted your sound, I think. So volume. Volume is muted. Biplav, you. Okay, fine. Ankit has left. Good. Yeah, Tanuj. Joe. Joe, I think I am. Joe, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Good to see you back.
Yeah. Yeah, Joe. So you are attending one of my class, right? Or this is your first Java class?
Yes, yes, I was. And this is the same job, not different than the other one. I was just planning to learn a little bit about the, more about Selenium. That's why I'm joining. I was already taking with you this Azure classes. I'm already in
Oh,
I'm already in test automation uh, engineer in the United States already. I'm working as a test automation engineer, but I'm just trying to improve my skills by learning from any places that I found you guys. I think you're great. Thank you so much, and
Yeah, Joe.
you
So
do
you
great.
have
Thanks.
attended my classes, Joe, right? Joe, you have attended my classes, Java
Yeah.
classes, correct?
Yes. Yes. Correct.
So how do you feel now?
Yeah, that's good. Actually, I was just missing a piece, a small pieces actually from the Java classes. So everything is right
Oh,
now getting together. So much better, much clearer. Thank you so much. Actually, it is so good definition. I can tell you.
okay.
I've learned. I went to the other boot camps or two in the United States too. But yeah, you did a great job.
Oh,
Thank you so much. You,
oh,
you did very
thank
good
you.
patch. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, so Joe is one of my student right now. He is attending some REST API automation, and the batch when it starts, he is having all the meetings. So that's why he's not getting. So I think for that reason he's joining again to my class. It's okay. So he's the live example. Anyone can ping him and ask him like how we cover, how we go. Yeah. So yes, Venkatesh.
Happy morning, everyone.
Yeah.
This is
Hi.
Venkatesh here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a BSc Physics student. I wanted to explore the IT sector, so I thought of attending the session to explore that opportunity for myself.
Oh, very nice. Good. Nice to see you here.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks. Bye. Isha, just some interactions should be there. Please. Isha is not there. Tanu's on call. Shruti.
Yeah, hi
Shruti is on.
everyone. Good morning. I'm working
Yeah.
in IT industry from last 8 years, and
Yeah.
I worked in C Sharp basically. So I wanted to learn some Java with Selenium. That's why I'm attending today.
Okay, great. Bamshi.
Yeah, hi all, good morning. So this is Fomsi here. So I have 3 years experience in performance testing. So just I want to
Mhm.
become an full stack QA. So in the part, so I need to learn this automation. So this course will help me to grow in this side.
Correct. Perfect. Praveen, go ahead. Oh, Praveen, I have to. Okay, good, Praveen. Okay, Govind.
Hey,
Govind.
sorry, sorry talking
Yeah,
on
yeah,
mute.
it's
So,
okay. Go ahead.
uh,
Go ahead.
yeah, I have around 15 years of experience in QA and primarily into manual.
Hmm.
And I would like to learn automation so that I can lead a very big automation team.
Perfect. Perfect. Good. Raghu.
Hi everyone, this is Raghunandan. I'm mostly into the performance testing. I'm having 3+ years of experience, and I just want to explore the automation. So, joined this session.
Good. Good. SN. Who is SN? I am not able to see full
Yeah,
name.
hi.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. This is Sujata. So actually, I'm working as a manual test engineer from past 9 years. I just want to upgrade my automation skills. That's why I have joined this course.
Perfect. Perfect. Rani. Rani, you are on mute. You can speak.
Hi, good,
Yeah.
hi,
Go
good
ahead. Go
morning,
ahead.
everyone. Myself, Rani. I have 4 years of experience in manual testing. I want to upgrade my automation testing skills.
Very nice. So, Sanjay.
Yeah, hi. I have 4 years experience in API testing with manual testing, so I want to upgrade my automation skill. That's why I joined this course.
Good. Good. Vishal. Finally. Vishal, are you there?
Okay. Yeah, I am here. Yeah, hi everyone. So I have close to around 7 years of experience, mostly into manual testing, API as well as functional. I
Okay.
just recently started automation in my organization. So yeah, I want to upgrade my skills. Yeah.
Good. Very nice. Okay, guys. Let me share my screen and we'll see. Good. Thank you all. Thank you all. Nice introduction. So here, let me start. First of all, we'll see some facts. currently going on inside the company. Whoever who is working as a Java developer, even in my batch, some
ఆటో
developers
కోసం
are there.
చూస్తా ఉండాలి మీరు ఆటో కోసం చూస్తా ఉండాలి
Can you
ఆటో
go
కోసం
on mute?
చూస్తా ఉండాలి రోడ్లో వాడు ఏడ్చుకుంటా ఉన్నాడు
Rani, can you go on mute? Yeah, Rani, can you go
ఏంది
on
తమ్ముడు
mute? Or Monica, sorry, Rani, can you go on mute? Can you please mute yourself? Yeah, as extra background noises are coming here. Okay, fine. So here we are. The question is, in IT we have two sections. One is development. Generally, on common section is one is developer, right? Another one is tester, QA, right? So here, someone want to build a career in development side, or who is already developer, who is working as a developer, right? Now QA, they are already tester, like they are QA, working as a QA, right? Or want to apply for QA, or some from non-technical background, right? Non-technical background, they want to join software industry as a QA, non-technical guys, as a QA. They are trying to go for QA because in the market someone says, hey, to get a job in QA is very easy. Developer got to know, hey, I already worked on development, so we can work on testing, automation. Yes. So these things are going on. So we'll go one by one question. So now the problem is bottleneck here. The pain is I am working since 4 years, 4 plus years, like that, 5 plus years or 7 plus years. Someone is having even 16 plus years of experience. Somehow they are surviving in the company. This manual testing, based on manual testing, in manual testing, right? Now the problem is there is a chance for getting fired from the company. It's very hard to sustain because the era is completely changed. Manual testing was having craze 12 years back. If you know the old terminology and the flows, it was very much interesting when you are going as a manual tester, as a QA. But now so many things have been implemented inside the software organizations, different tools, different language. So these peoples are also in fear. These peoples are also having hope to get some better opportunity. So here the root cause is language, programming language. Root cause is programming language. For whom? For these guys. Either they are non-technical person, they want to make a career in software industry as a QA, or who is working as a QA. So root cause is programming language. Now the fearness is there of how can I learn this language? Its programming language is very difficult, right? We have to go sit for 6 months, then we will learn development, then we'll become a very nice automation tester. These all mental speculations will be there in your mind, and because of that it will stops you to build a career in software industry. So we will see here. See, first of all, in my class, personally I am talking, any graduate person, either BSc, BTech, or whatever, you are from medical background, or you have done graduation, you are working in call center, you all can achieve the same target. You can become a QA automation engineer and you can apply for it. You can put minimum 5 to 6 years of experience in your resume. So here the main thing is core. Java is also divided into two parts, core Java and advanced Java. I will tell why Java. First, see, core Java and advanced Java for automation testing. Now we do not have to learn this advanced Java. If we learn Java plus advanced Java, then why I should not go for development side, right? So we don't have to learn Java from development point of view. We have to only learn core Java. And even the developer who want to become a developer, they should be a very strong, like they should be very good in core Java. This is the base, backbone. Then only they can either become a developer, or you want to switch career in automation, you can go for that. So this core Java is just, we have to learn core Java. In this only all automation is there in our software organization. Now you will ask, sir, nowadays the era is JavaScript, TypeScript, Playwright. These automation tools are booming in the market, right? Then why you are going for Java? So first point is the person. Here category is three. One is who has not seen the programming language. Because of that. Second reason is who knows a bit and they are saying, I can do this, I know Java plus Selenium or Java plus API. Third one is who is already developer, and he's struggling. Hey, why I can't learn this automation testing? I know Java, right? So first of all, Java, why we should go, and these three categories are there in this first section. Here manual testers are also there. Manual tester, see, I'm telling some points here because this is fact, and everyone will be facing the same issue. You are a manual tester, no, and the problem is now till the level like anytime I can be fired up, or to sustain inside the organization is very hard. Now who knows a bit Java and they are overconfident, yeah, we can do that. No. First of all, to become a QA automation tester, if you go for interview, 75% of the question they will ask from you from Java. They will ask you from Java. If you are going for Java or JavaScript, any programming language with any tool, they want to check you how much you are good, in OOPS concept, object-oriented programming concept, in any one of the language. And only 25 to 30% questions they will ask you from the tool, because tool everything is already defined. There we have to learn how to use. That's it. Now Java is a basic language, you can say. See, anyhow, C is the mother of all language, but C will be working mostly in the hardware side of things, like robot boss and all designing purpose. They will be using more C language. It's not for development purpose, for the applications and all. C is internally, this language will be getting used. So from C has come. From C++ has come. Then Java has come, Python, right? Then so many languages are there. Now Ruby, right? JavaScript, TypeScript. So my suggestion, even I observed my experience, when we know Java, when we know Java, we know Java. Really, you know Java. See, when we know Java, or really, honestly, you know Java. Either you have taken from online, you have practiced some programs, and you are saying I am very good in Java. That will not work out, because there you have to develop a framework, and simply you mug up some questions from internet, Selenium or REST API, some 10-15 question you just remember, go for interview. It will not work. Even you cannot contribute some task in the framework development, and everyone will expect you from to develop a framework inside a project, right? So they will have this type of things. So when really we know Java, then learning any automation tools, any QA tools is very much easy, and you will get the systematic flow. That is the first thing. Now if we know Java, then it's very easy. I am telling you, really, if you know Java, then easily, without any faculty or trainer, easily you can learn JavaScript, TypeScript. And nowadays it is also booming in the market. JavaScript, TypeScript, both. So even Python you will feel very much easy. Even Python as well. Here they will use very short syntax, like in Java. The problem is in Java 5 lines of code, here you can write in one or two line. But here you will not get the confidence unless you know Java. At least see, I know how to eat chapati or whatever bread. I know how to eat bread. But if I know how to cook bread or how to make a bread, then you will get the real taste of that bread. You will have the understanding, your knowledge internally your knowledge and confidence will come. Okay, what is the importance of this bread, how it's cooked? So if you know Java, these three language you can learn by yourself only. It will give you, Java will give you one flow, the meaning of each and everything, whatever you are using in programming language, JavaScript, TypeScript, Python. See, I was knowing Java. I have worked on Ruby API automation I have used. Then I have worked on JavaScript. I have worked on TypeScript and Python also, not exactly, but yeah, around only 1 year I have worked on Python. I didn't go for any training classes or anything. Because if you are in Java, what you need to learn, the OOPS concept. OOPS is very, very much important. OOPS, object oriented programming. The OOPS is a backbone. So if you know the OOPS concept in Java, same thing is there in Java, TypeScript, Python, everywhere you will understand very easily. But here backbone is Java OOPS concept. Here you should know it in systematic way. What do you mean by systematic way? Flow must be there. Okay, class is there, object is there. What is the meaning of that? Same thing we are calling in JavaScript object. Okay, what do you mean by object? Any real world entity is an object. Now programmatically how we'll understand, right, is object. Correct. Now you will see constructor is getting called each and every time in the automation framework. In constructor they will pass class, they will call thousands of methods in framework, right? So if you know the OOPS concept, now for interview what they will do, they will go to internet, they will take 4 to 5 programs, they will practice and they will think we'll clear the interview. No boss. To develop any QA framework, automation framework, first they will check how much you are good in OOPS concept. They will ask, okay, how you are implementing abstract concept inside your framework, how you are implementing inheritance. There is a page object modeling framework, how you do that, right? How you are playing with the interface in your framework, right? How you are initializing the driver classes, how you are initializing the rest assured rest request specification classes, how you are using Serenity BDD, how you are integrating. So there everywhere 70% is programming language and that is OOPS concept. So if we learn this OOPS concept, if we know OOPS concept, then It's very easy to learn several tools. Very easy to learn several tools. At least I am telling minimum what you can learn by yourself. If you know Java, then Java plus Selenium, right? Plus rest assured, plus karate, right? And JMeter performance tool, right? These things will be very much easy. Now 4 5 tools you can learn with Java at a time. And you know, only if you are investing time here, no, it will take hardly 20 to 30 hours to learn all these tools. 30 hours more than enough to learn all 4 5 tools, because everything is developed in Java inside this. Simply you have to use it. If you know Java, you have to learn how to use this. How to use this. That's it. That is Java. So Java is a programming language. Everyone knows that. I can give more details in that. It's a programming language. It's a platform independent, open source, very secure language, distributed applications, right? So many properties is there. We are not using pointers, correct? Still, Java is not pure object oriented programming language, right? Still, but this Java is open source, and these tools, why, you know, one thing you tell me, why Java plus Selenium automation tool is very much hot from beginning? Why? Can anyone answer me? Who is a developer also, who is not a developer, who is non-technical also, or who is working as a manual QA? Can you please answer me why Java plus Selenium is very much
It's
needed?
open. It's open source.
Okay,
Open
open.
source too.
Okay, open source. Now JavaScript is also open source, right? Playwright. But still, Java Selenium, the combination of Java Selenium is very, very much important. Open source free. Okay, that's good.
Most of the
Anything.
projects are developed in Java.
Okay, most of the projects are developed in Java. Okay, mm, fine. Why? Others language, React.js and all, they are using so many languages they are using.
Platform
Server side,
independent, right?
yeah, yeah, platform independent.
Yeah.
And then security.
Security reason, okay. Server side, most of the banking application from beginning developed in Java. Not all the applications. E-commerce domain developed in Java in the beginning. Now Python is there. What you say? Java is React.js is booming. Node.js, React.js, using that language they are developing the applications, right? React. Nowadays the era of React, correct? So you people know, might be not knowing. So whatever the classes, API, if you don't know, whatever the classes, methods, interfaces present in Java classes, in Selenium in the beginning, they have developed this tool using those classes methods. That's why the both are very much compatible. The API used inside a Selenium, API means class, method, interfaces, constructor, like that, you understand. So those things are very much compatible with Java. Most of the things they have developed based on the Java from beginning. This Selenium tool, this Selenium is not a GUI tool, WebDriver, right? So the API used in Java and Selenium both are very much compatible. Compatible, very much compatible. Yeah, very much compatible. So Java plus Selenium is their APIs. They are like what a user friendly, you can say, or very much flexible. while using this. That's why the combination of Java Selenium is very much easy. Now I can tell you some examples. Here you go. Let's say I'm opening my Eclipse and just go here. Okay. Now you see. So see here, let me create one class. Simply just I'm telling you one example to understand the real fact here. Let's say in Selenium, what is Selenium or what is WebDriver? Selenium is one family name. Inside that, WebDriver is a tool. So WebDriver is nothing. What is WebDriver in Selenium? Can anyone tell me? What is WebDriver? Everywhere market is on WebDriver. What is WebDriver? Can anyone tell me? Selenium. This is Selenium. What is WebDriver? Selenium WebDriver. What is Selenium WebDriver? Can anyone tell me? What is Selenium WebDriver? This we are going to use in QA automation. Everywhere the demand is there with Selenium
Yeah,
WebDriver.
so I would say
Hmm.
it's a part of Selenium tool which helps you to automate your action on the browser mostly. So
Yes,
like you
yes.
don't have to do it manually, it just do it for you through the code.
Correct. Correct. So good. Your answer. I am very much happy the way you have answered. But can you tell me so many tools are there? Tools means automate only, right? Tools means your manual effort will be very much less, very much like 1 to 2%, 5% maximum. So if tool is there, definitely they will automate. Okay. The way like ALM is there, UFT is there, Playwright is there, Test Complete is there, SOAP UI is there. So many tools are there in the market to automate the application. Correct. But Selenium is more booming. First point you tell, sir, it's a open source, it's a free tool. That's okay. If everything is free doesn't mean that it will be worthful, which
Yeah,
gives
I
you.
agree. Yeah. I think
Yeah.
it also helps on running your test case on multiple browser. I think the other tools might not have that. Also, it supports
Correct,
so many
correct. You are
languages
telling like
like
we can.
Python. Yeah.
No, no, no. Python also it's
different
there. Yeah, yeah. See, you
different
people are saying,
browsers and the
okay,
programming languages,
different browsers
programming
and
different
operating systems. Yeah, different browsers and operating system. That is also good. So these all things you are telling about the properties, the feature of Selenium actually. These are the features of Selenium automation tool. But what is the what interviewer or actually what it is? WebDriver. Actually, it is an interface. Actually. It is an interface in Selenium API tool. If they will ask you this question, if you are telling it used to help automate in different browser, it used to launch the applications, they will not hear you. Actually, it is an interface in Selenium API tool. WebDriver is an interface. And what is interface? Learn Java, you will get to know what is interface. So in Java, if you know interface, then easily you can play with this WebDriver. Guys, it will be within 10 days you can finish it off this Selenium. Maximum 10 to 15 days. Maximum, I am telling you. If you really know. Now interface you don't know. And we are going to learn Selenium. Now WebDriver, I'm creating one class. Let's say WebDriver demo. WebDriver demo. Right? Now I'm creating this class. I'll go to the documentation of Selenium. Just see how Java is, how much important I am telling you. Now open the Selenium website. Here, go to here. Now see Selenium Java is there, right? Go to their documentation. Actually, Selenium is developed by ThoughtWorks in the beginning. Later, it acquired by seleniumhq.org. Now the website is selenium.dev because now they are telling it's a complete development tool, like that. Now go to this and see here. Go to WebDriver. See, go to WebDrive. This is online only. I'm not telling by myself here. You, who has developed this, just go here. What is this? What is WebDriver? Can you see that? What it's written?
Interface.
Interface. And see, all are implementing classes. Means these are the class. Means if you want to launch your application in Chrome browser, Firefox browser. So in Selenium automation tool WebDriver, they made this browser name as a classes. And these all classes implements this interface. Now whatever sentence I am telling, all belongs to Java only, not Selenium. Here we are learning Selenium, but whatever I am saying, it's all Java. This is a class which implements Selenium WebDriver interface, right? And we cannot create object of WebDriver because it is an interface. So now see, I spoke 3 to 4 lines, everything belonging to Java. Only the name WebDriver, okay, it is used to launch different browser feature, to launch different things, to automate any application. We are going to use WebDriver automation tool. But to implement this tool in our project, 70-80% concept is from Java. See, this is interface. Interface means class will implement interface, right? These all are classes. See, these all are classes. You click here, see, this is a class. And class implements interface. Now, here everything Java. Now, here also I am, Selenium is there, right? I am going to write a code. These all are Java code, right? Here I want to use Selenium. See, if I will create here WebDriver, one reference variable, anything you can take. And here if I will write new WebDriver, now it is wrong because WebDriver is in interface. But you don't know Java. How can you know whether it's wrong or right? Correct? First import this. Now you see here you mouse over what is cannot instantiate the type WebDriver. Means we cannot create object of WebDriver. Now you don't know Java. How can you understand this sentence? The meaning of these words? And it is a Selenium tool. I am writing the things in Selenium here. This is Selenium. But here by seeing the error, how much you can understand? And it's a core Java interface. Oops, concept. Interface, it is clearly, yesterday only I taught to my, I think Joe is one of the part, and I told the meaning of interface. Now they are very much comfortable to write this line of codes, and they got confidence. Oh, because of this reason we cannot create an object of this. Now this is not valid, right? Now see, if I will write this, just I am telling, no need to worry what I am writing, just I am telling how much Java is important here. Now I am writing driver or d only equal to, what is the implementing classes? Just now I have shown you. Let's say Chrome driver, it is a class. So this class will implement the WebDriver interface. So I can assign object of Chrome. If you want to launch something in Chrome browser, assign the object of Chrome driver class into the reference of WebDriver interface. And whatever properties present inside a WebDriver Selenium tool, everything you can fetch inside a Chrome driver and you can launch. Now see, now d.get, see all the methods. These all are what? See, this is all methods. Same methods I will teach you in Java. Now you can understand all these methods easily. Now d dot I put all the methods present inside this Selenium tool automatically comes, but it's all coming. See, this is a method. How you will understand this is a method? So if you know Java's concept, easily you can understand, oh, this is a method, right? So here see, how can you understand what it will accept inside this? Okay, it will accept argument as a string. Now you should know what is argument, what is a string, right? So see, this is all here. You only tell how much Selenium I have used here. That is the question. How much Selenium I have used here? This is one Selenium part. That's it. And here I am using Selenium only, but see, all belongs to Java Ops concept. All belongs to Java Oops concept. Why? WebDriver is an interface. We cannot create an object. We cannot write like this. Why we cannot write? Coming from Oops concept. What you are doing? Assigning subclass object to superclass. See, yesterday only WebDriver concept I taught to everyone. Like if you see, where is that? Flipkart. Yeah, you see interface I taught them. Now I told them what are the things here, right? How can we create object or not? What will happen if we create object? How you can access? What are the methods you can assign? What things you can take? Now after learning all this, they are easily understanding Selenium. Oh, this is what, because of that reason we are writing new Chrome driver here, right side, or new Firefox driver, or new things, right? Now it runs, your Selenium is complete, right? That's it, final. So here, 75% your oops, Java oops has worked, and only 30% tool be using WebDriver, your browser is opened. That's it. Selenium tool, your browser is opened. But while implementing this Selenium tool, here oops concept is 70%. Now if what is get, you will tell get is used to launch the URL. No, get is a method present inside a WebDriver which accepts URL as a string. That is a perfect answer. And whatever sentence just now explained, that all belongs to Java, right? So that's why Java is very much important. Either you learn any tool, and once you understand Java's concept, no, it's very easy to understand JavaScript, TypeScript. Tomorrow you can make career with Playwright tool, Cypress tool. So this is very much important. Core Java, only core Java, not Java complete Java you have to learn. Only core Java you learn, you will be mastered in Selenium or rest assured API automation. That's why Java is, I didn't teach about Java here, nothing I taught. So what is Java? You know, you will tell Java is a programming language which is used to build an application, different things. Java is platform independent. Java is very much secure language. I will tell Java is a commercial language. If you know Java, you can earn money a lot, right? E-commerce domain developed in Java. What, for what purpose they have developed this application? To earn money, good money. Banking domain, for what purpose, right? It's a commercial language, and it's very much secure. Server side programming, we are using Java for security purposes, right? So Java is very much important. So if you know Java, I am challenging you. Within 10 to 15 days, you can learn API plus Selenium. You can master in these tools, and you can go ahead and you can put in your resume, or who is working already, they can do one POC. They can show to their team, yes, I have developed one framework by myself. They will trust you. You will be recognized in a team. So that's why I don't teach simply Selenium. Anyone come and join. Even you come for, even you pay or not pay, it doesn't matter. But first, if you know Java, then only you enter in my class. Now see, every day I give notes. I am telling the meaning. One line, one scenario I give. And only this much statement, if you have remembered after understanding, no one will stop you to crack the interview. I will not give you any vague answer. Each statement belongs to one scenario. That is guaranteed. Each and every statement will be for one scenario. And I am doing that. I used to take. So in beginning, I used to take class on Notepad. After 7-8 classes, I go for Eclipse or IntelliJ tool. So that's why Java is very much important. Now, can anyone tell me? Just, I don't know who are there, who are not there. Okay, fine. Now, can you tell me, if you are writing a code C++, and if you are writing code in Java, What's the difference? What will happen? First of all, you know what are the phases of programming language, what are the layers of programming language. Like any language, programming language you are using in your automation or development, what are the phases of any programming language? Not only Java, I am talking about all the programming languages available in this world. Three layers are common. What are the layers of programming language? Can anyone tell me? What are the layers of programming language? Yeah, you know, you might have studied in engineering or BTech or BCA. First one is high level language, right? Correct, no? Second layer is mid level language or assembly level language. Third one is low level language. Okay, so whenever you are writing a program in, like, let's say here I have written a program. This is what, this is called high level language. High level language means simple English language which can be readable, which can be understood by human being. That is called high level language. It is English or not, you only tell. Can we read? Yes, we can read. It's readable, right? We can understand. So this is called high level language. Now when you write this inside your machine, in your laptop or PC, it gets converted internally into assembly level language. Like one line of code, this will get converted into assembly level language like this. Internally in your microprocessor, move AHBH, assembly level language. This is called, like, register to register transfer will happen of this all data. Now you will tell what is the need of learning Selenium to know all this. You need to know, boss. At least internally how it's getting compiled and getting executed. For that reason you have to know this. You people, everyone want ready-made chapati, bread. Will you? It will work? No, it will not work unless you know internally what are the things are getting involved and getting executed, right? So just you have to know, okay, this high level language gets converted into mid level language after your system, your computer, when you are getting the output. No, that is not simply coming. When your CPU understand this language, then only it will give you output. Whatever you have written, this code is not understand by your CPU or machine. So internally first it will convert into mid-level language, high level to mid-level, and then finally it will get converted into machine level language, machine level language, which is understood by the CPU or processor, machine level language. Okay, and that is in the form of 0 or 1s. So your any computer understand only 0 and 1 format. Bit they understand in the form of 0 and 1. They will not understand other than this. So actually when you are writing a C++, any programming language, now this is just for knowledge sake, it's a simple English language, simple English language. Now mid-level language, it's a assembly level language, assembly level, like second layer assembly, it will first get converted into assembly level. Like one of the example, register to register transfer, move one register, BH is one register inside your CPU. Then finally it gets converted into machine level language, that is 0 or 1, or that is also called as a binary language. That language only your CPU, your machine, your computer understand. After understanding this 0 and 1 format, then he gives you the output and you are able to see the output here. Simply doesn't give. So if you are writing program in C++, let's say here one program is there, hello.c, and one program is hello.java. Java program will be saved as .java extension, Any C++ program will saved as a C line extension. Now here, once you are writing this program you have written in English language. So the rule is any program must be compiled. It must be compiled. Compiled means, what is compilation? What is the job of compiler? Any program you write, let's say you have written a program here, you have written here 4 or 5 lines of this English high level language, it must be compiled. What do you mean by compiled? To check the syntactical error is present in the program or not. Let's say I removed this semicolon while writing, I missed to put my semicolon, so your syntactical error is present. Now our compiler, our programming compiler will check, oh, there is an error in your program, you are not following the standard of the corresponding language, so I am throwing error right now. You fix it. Okay, and if you mouse over, you see it's a syntax error. Insert semicolon to complete it. So this is thrown by the compiler. So any programming language must be compiled. Now you will tell, sir, Python, are we compiling? Are boss, you are not compiling, but internally it's getting compiled. Even it's an interpreted language, but internally their compiler is working. It is a dynamically typed language, but internally they are supporting. Error is there, then this will happen. This will happen, right? So any program if you write, that will first get compiled. Compiled means this hello.c will convert it in the assembly level language, mid level language, right? Then the .c will be compiled by the compiler, C compiler, C++, then it will get converted into like assembly level, mid level language. Okay, now finally it will get converted into low level language, 0 and 1, and then you will get the output. Now the question here is, after compilation, you take this compiled file of C++ or same program, whatever you have written in C, you have written one C program, same program you copy. I am writing on Windows operating system, same program you copy and paste in another operating system and try to execute. Will it work? No, it will not work, because every operating system needs a specific compiler according to the operating system. Like C++ needs different compiler for this operating system to run this code. Now whatever code you have executed in Windows, it will not work in Mac or any Linux flavor machine, Ubuntu or Fedora or anyone. Java you go, once it is compiled, first of all it will get converted into Java. It will get converted, any hello.java will get converted into hello.class. After compilation it will get converted into hello.class, and this is also called as a bytecode. And once it's converted, then it will get converted into low level language, 0 or 1, and you will get the output. Now simply you take this file, copy and paste in another operating system, it will get executed. Whatever program you have written in the Windows, you take in the Mac and any operating system, it will get executed, because that's why it's a platform independent language. And see this, after compilation, here they get converted into middle level language, here it's get converted into dot class file. So if someone is asking, boss, show me the code whatever you have written, simply developer will share this dot class file. Here you cannot understand the code, but it will get executed. So they will not get to know what I am doing, and they will get the output also. But here you have to show the code, because this language they cannot understand. Move H, BS, these things they cannot understand. You have to share this high level language. So that's why it's a very much secure language. Understood? So that's why Java is very, very much important, guys. So I think already we have started the session late. I think 8:10 I have started. It's already 9:10. I am not going to disturb you more. So many things are there to tell, but I will teach you from ABCD. So even you are from non-technical background also, you will get confidence after 6 class 100%, and you that is challenge. You will able to write at least 30 lines of code easily without any dependencies. After just 6 class, you will able to write 30 lines of code easily, because I simply don't go to what is object, what is constructor, what is loops. No, I don't do this type of things. First of all, understand basic how Java is happening. What is Java? First feel Java, then implement Java. I will teach you while installation what are the problem you will be facing. Now you are working in a framework. Suddenly your framework get crashed. Something error you are getting. How you will resolve that? What is the problem happening? After installation, also you are not able to execute your program. Installation only will take 1 day, because you people might have used Eclipse in your system, you have used VS Code in your system, and now you will install JDK, whatever I will tell. Now you will get hell lot of issues. After installation also you will not be able to execute. Now you don't know why it will not get executed. That also I will tell. I will tell you the meaning of main method. I will tell you only, can we create a class? Okay, can we create multiple classes in the same program? Can we write the same name? Can we give the different names? After all this confusion goes, then I will start my real concept, class and object. I will create a diagram for memory management. I will show you how data is going one by one. What is the meaning of int a equal to 20? So this is just like ABCD, and gradually after 6 to 7 class, you tell me, you will be only showing to me, hey, I have written, see, where is the problem? 20 lines, 30 lines, easily you will write. So that is guaranteed, confirmed. And after learning, till you learn the OOPS concept, now jump to Selenium. See, within 50, and you will feel very much confident. While I will teach some concept, you will only explore so many concepts, and you will do it because you know Java. No one will stop you. That is guaranteed. Rest assured. Luckily, even if you have joined here or somewhere, you simply go to Google, you take rest assured, you say, hey, all Javas are there. You will be very much impressed. And you can do it. After now you know Java, just move to the JavaScript or TypeScript. Easily you can do. If you know JavaScript and TypeScript, now you learn Playwright by yourself. So one flow you will get, and this is source, and you will reach to destination. Tomorrow, no one will stop you to crack the interview or to sustain inside a company. In your real, now you're a manual tester. Now go talk to automation. Just download, take that framework in your Eclipse or IntelliJ, and just try to understand what is this, what is this. Easily you will understand. Oh, they are doing same drama since 7 years, and we are just scaring. What is that? Now you can fight. You can show the POC. You can develop your own framework. I will make you in such a way that you can develop a framework by yourself only. And who can develop a framework? Who know the perfect OOPS concept. Everyone knows Java. Everyone you ask, everyone knows Java. But why they are not getting selected in the interview? Because they are not good in OOPS concept. So that's why it's very much important to learn any automation tool in the market. Java is very much important. And after learning Java Selenium, you can easily learn JavaScript, Playwright, Cypress by yourself. Within a week, you can finish it off. I am challenging you. You can ping me. That is guaranteed. Because last 11 years, I am seeing. So that's it. Do you have any questions, guys? I am just winding up here. Anyone having any question, please let me know. Any doubt?
In this
Any
course, API testing included, sir?
API is there. We will mainly after this Selenium is main, but API is also there. For that, we will be starting on API batch, simply API batch, no Java. Because if you learn here Java, you can move to API. Here, I will be teaching you API 5 to 7 hours. It's there. You can get the flavor of API automation. But Selenium tool, you will get complete end-to-end flow. Okay?
I'm working in a small organization. They give
Mhm.
API automation
Hmm.
testing using Postman.
The Postman is manual testing of API.
Yeah.
Okay? Postman is a manual testing. That is not automation. Automation means rest assured tool.
Okay.
Postman is manual testing. You will click on send button. You will interact with the mouse, right? You will add the body in the post request. Then you will click on send button. Then you will get the response down. But automation, simply click on play button. Everything, response, verification, everything he will do, and you will get the result. Are you getting? So Postman is a manual testing. So in API, I will teach you Postman. In this Java, after learning Java, you start with API. I will teach you manual.
Rest assured or for automation, sir?
No, no. First, Postman I will teach. Then I will move to REST assured.
Okay.
Because without knowing the concept of API, how can you know? So tell me other question. Anyone? Any questions? Sorry. If you have a doubt, please let me know. Otherwise, we'll wind up the session. Any question, you are free to ask any question. Tell me. No questions. Okay.
What about TestNG?
Yes, yes. All the tools which is required, test engine, map and JUnit, BGD Cucumber framework, page object modeling, everything I will be covering. But the main root cause is Java. If you know Java, then only we can do all those things. These all things we will be covering. TestNG, JUnit, Maven, Cucumber BDD, data driven, page object model, all these things we will be covering to develop a framework. Framework development simply it's not easy. If you know all this, then only we can do that. Yeah.
And then one last question. Will you be covering the CD as well? Continuous
Yes,
integration
yes,
and
yes,
continuous.
yes.
Okay.
Generally we cover Jenkins, but we will try to get Azure as well.
Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone? Yes? Okay. So if you do not have any question, then shall we wind up? Or if you have any question, please let me know. Still, I can be.